Stain Shields DS Diving Service here. We're at the Festival Byway in St. Augustine. It is Tuesday, October, it's either the 4th or the 5th. They're better all cleaned up. I did take a before video because we got one of those last week. She cleaned up okay. I did want to point out that the paint has several layers and you are down to the barrier coat in some of them. The red, the black, and the blue. Specifically on the side where the sun hits it, the growth is a little bit thicker and the paint's a little bit more. There's areas the green is just embedded into the actual gel coat and it's not coming off. We did get most everything off. She cleaned up pretty nicely. A couple things I want to point out: there is no anode on the shaft. It looks like it requires some sort of collar anode. It also looks like there is a little bit of electrolysis on the propeller. I'll point that out. Your swim platform right here on the starboard side, this strut is not attached. Let's take a look. Whenever you do haul out, you'll want to address that. Let's go down and look at the rudder and the props in the bottom of the boat. touch up there. I am going to try and scrub this just to see. I think I had to scrape the whole boat. There was particles everywhere, and in the scrape most of the slime more thing I do want to show you is your fairing where your transducer sits off the boat. Looks like it does have a little bit of damage to it. So let's take a look at that. Well, that's all it looks. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.